Hey y'all, it's me back with another video. In this video I will be dyeing my eyebrows the color of my wig. This is my first time doing this, but we're just gonna do it and see how it goes. I've always wanted to try it, but I never have, and my sister told me how to do it, so we're gonna try it out. Alright, so what you're gonna need is a container to put your bleach and stuff in. You're gonna need this, and you're gonna need this. Developer, you know? Alright, developer. Alright, and you know they come in like 20, 30, 40 different volumes or whatever. She told me that you don't want to use nothing higher than 30. So I got 20 just to be on safe side. I ain't even want to try 30. Alright, so this is basic. I mean, I've done this part before. All you're gonna do is like shake a little in there. Alright, this is light, but that should be about enough right there. You should know how much you're probably gonna need based off how much hair is on your eyebrows. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna pour some developer in there, and you don't want to pour too much because you want it to be like thick, you know. And I'm gonna use the end of my spoon because I'm gonna apply it on my eyebrows like that. So we're just gonna mix it together. To be honest, I'm scared because this is my face. Like, I don't want to mess up my face. Like, but I'm also not feeling these black eyebrows with this blonde hair. That's what I'm not feeling. And I actually think this is thick enough. You know, this is my first time, so bear with me. But I honestly think this is thick enough. You know. So another thing you're gonna need is some Vaseline. And what you want to do is put some Vaseline. You want to put some Vaseline, like, oh, I got a mirror right here, so alright, what you want to do is put some Vaseline around your skin so your skin won't burn, but you don't want to get it on the hair either because then it's not gonna take. My eyelashes in the way, but alright, got that. Alright, so I'm just about to wipe my eyebrow just to make sure I don't have no Vaseline on my eyebrow. To be honest, like, I don't even know how long I'm gonna have this wig on while I'm doing all this, but clearly if I'm doing this, I'm gonna have to take it off and put it back on just so that it can match. Cause then I'll be looking stupid with black hair and brown brows. Blonde brows. Alright, y'all. I need a hand. I'll be back. Alright, so I got a handheld mirror so that y'all can really watch me. Alright, y'all. Ooh, I don't know. Y'all, I'm scared. Alright, let's do it. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is my first. Oh my gosh, I'm getting on my fucking. I guess I'm about to close my eyes. Bro, like, I've been complimented on my eyebrows. Like, I had people tell me, and I'm not over exaggerating, I have people to tell me that they would die for my eyebrows. I've never got my eyebrows done. Like, I never had to get them waxed. None of that. My eyebrows just good. And if I fuck them up, I'm gonna be pissed. But maybe I'm over exaggerating. I'm just dying. I'm like, you feel me? You feel me? But I've always wanted to do this low key. Cause it don't make sense to me. Like, why have purple hair and black brows? Why have red hair and black brows? Why have that if your brow's gonna be black? Like, I don't know if I'm putting too much. Alright, we're just gonna leave it at that. Alright, these starting to tingle a little bit. Like around the perimeters. Alright, now she told me she left hers on for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I don't know how long it's been because I definitely didn't time it. But this eyebrow is starting to change a little bit. I don't know if y'all can tell. Let me change my lighting. Alright. I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm trying to take my phone there. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I can tell this one needs a little bit more time though. But let me tell y'all. Yeah, so I think I'm about to wipe it off because I'm about to get scared. So I grabbed a wet rag and what I'm just gonna do is oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Let's get it off real good. Okay, alright, let's wipe it off. Okay, I'm definitely not used to this, but they look alright. They look alright. I'm sorry for my breakouts, but they look alright, you know? It's just definitely something I have to get used to. But yeah, they match my hair. But I definitely left that on there less than 30 minutes, so I just my suggestion is just to look at it, stare at it the whole time. Don't look at it, just stare at it. But I kind of like them. This one is a little light to me. It's kind of a little light, definitely in the mirror, because I got hairs right here, but you can barely see them. So, but I like them. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on. This one's darker than the right one because I didn't leave it on there as long. But they're not that bad. They're not that bad. I actually like it. Hey. But yeah, that's how you bleach your eyebrows. I don't know when it comes to dyeing them like red, purple, and all them other colors. That's something I'm gonna have to learn. But this is alright. This is alright. I like it. I like it. Well, I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. And thank you for supporting me. But like and subscribe to my channel. And catch me on my next video.